Hi, welcome to my channel. Tomorrow I'm going to go on another road trip with my mom again. This is going to be my annual adventure road trip. I usually like to do it either in the month of November or February because the weather is kind of perfect. It's not too cold and it's not yet that foggy. So tomorrow we are basically going towards Banaras. So we're driving from Delhi to Banaras. It's a 12-hour drive. I don't think we're going to make it to Banaras tomorrow itself because I don't like to drive the entire day. I prefer to break it. So let's see what really happens. We haven't really booked anything. We haven't really decided on the places where we want to stay. The only idea is that from Delhi, we're going to go to Banaras. So let's see what really happens. But I'm excited. This is the kind of road trip I like. Because of my last experience with wheel bearing, I actually came to a Hyundai service center to get my car checked once. I just thought of because that time we changed one wheel bearing, so there are 3 more tires left. I'm getting a full tank done here in Delhi itself. Although Delhi and UP have the same rate, but just getting a full tank so that we can just complete the trip in one go, hopefully. Hi game, all set. So route options we had 3 to get to Agra. After Agra there was only one road. I did not really see too many options, so it was just Agra-Lucknow Expressway. So till Agra I had 3 options. I could get on to the Yamuna Expressway from Jewar, or I could get on to the Yamuna Expressway from Noida. So from Gurgaon I go to Noida, or I could take the NH44. But I did not like either of these options. So I remembered once I'd gone to Agra and I had gone on NH44, and around Vrindavan I had taken a cut onto Yamuna Expressway. So somehow I found that route, and that's what we did today morning.
By the time I picked up mom and we got onto the road, it was about 5:30-ish. So we got onto the Mumbai-Delhi Expressway. From there we took the first exit and then got onto the KMP. And we'll go on to the KMP till Palwal and then take the exit towards Agra. So we are right now on NH44, and so this is NH44, quite smooth.
We are now exiting the NH44 at Vrindavan. We're crossing the Prem Mandir area now. Thankfully it's early morning, so there's not too much traffic here. Finally moving to the Yamuna Expressway. So we entered the Yamuna Expressway just after Vrindavan, and we did not really get any option for food on the way. There was nothing on that stretch, at least. It was about, I think, 50 kilometer stretch. We didn't get any option. So just after the toll, this is the first place we could find. Nothing great, but I was really hungry because I wanted to eat a paratha before getting onto the expressway, because I know expressways it's difficult to find options, but mom did not agree to it. So we just shared a paratha, and hopefully we'll have another one soon. देश के सबसे लंबे आगरा-लखनऊ एक्सप्रेसवे पर आपका स्वागत.
So it's about 10:30-ish right now when we've just entered the Agra-Lucknow Expressway, which is super smooth, as you can see. Actually, even if you want to go to Prayagraj to attend the Mahakumbh, I believe you will use some section of this expressway. So even the journey to Prayagraj, I believe, is super smooth now because of these expressways. So for us, we are planning to stop at Lucknow, although we should reach Lucknow by around 1:30, but we still think we will take a stop at Lucknow tonight, check out the market, shop and have chaat. And then tomorrow early morning we can start for Ayodhya, do the darshan and then visit Sarnath, and then by evening reach Banaras.
Okay, so we just had breakfast at just after the Agra toll plaza, and right now we are on the Lucknow Expressway. It's an Agra-Lucknow Expressway, about 230 kilometers long. I did not think there's going to be just an expressway, but I thought we were going to go through like some highways or something like that, but this is a proper expressway. It's quite nice actually. It's been very smooth. It's like a Yamuna Expressway or like a Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. It's actually very smooth. But mom's giving me a break. And now in about 50 minutes, I'm going to get my coffee. There's a barista on this route. Till 50 minutes, mom's going to drive. Mom, say hi. So mom's used to driving in automatic, so it's getting a little difficult for her to get used to the manual car because mine is manual. Okay, so I was feeling a little sleepy since we woke up early today, 5:30. So barista it is. Hopefully it will wake me up. So we are about 2 hours from Lucknow right now, and this highway is amazing. Right now we are on the Agra-Lucknow Expressway. So if you really want to do Delhi to Lucknow, it's actually very easy now because you can just get onto the Yamuna Expressway, which will end at Agra, and then you get on to this amazing Agra-Lucknow Expressway, which I believe will end at Lucknow. So it's beautiful actually. From mileage point of view, I'm right now getting 17.2 because I think the AC is on, but in the morning it was about 18.5 or something because for at least like 3 hours we did not switch on the AC. But the highway is amazing. I'm quite impressed with the roads. I have come to Lucknow long back, I think about 15 years ago, and that time I remember the road was in a mess. Obviously this highway wasn't there, and now was the Yamuna Expressway at that time. But right now it's amazing. I did not expect this at all. So this time I got a GoPro. It's actually my friend Kajal's GoPro. So I'm just trying to figure out how to use it. It's a little complicated actually because even she wasn't really using it. It was just lying in her house. So I just thought I'll probably try and use it. So if you see some stable videos in this trip, then it's thanks to this little thing. So this is the toll that we paid. So the main toll was 655 is what we paid at the Agra-Lucknow Expressway, and 165 is what we paid at Yamuna Expressway. So these are the big ticket tolls, but overall we paid quite a hefty amount. So we paid like 1200 rupees to go from Gurgaon to Lucknow using the route that I did. मुस्कुराइए, आप लखनऊ में हैं. लखनऊ कुर्ता. So we're staying at a place called Hotel Casa Ashbag. It's about 20 minutes from Hazratganj. It's okay. Basic room we got it for about 2,000, but it meets all the basics, so it's quite nice. And the property is quite nice actually. There's a place, I think it's mostly for marriages. It's a nice open space and Lucknow was all about pehle aap. Traffic doesn't seem to think so. Everyone wants to go everywhere and everyone wants to do pehla. In chicken heaven.
After the shopping, we came to this famous Shukla Chaat house, and it was so crowded. I told my mom, let's just go to some other place, but she's like, I'll go and check. And I think within like half a minute, she came out with this aloo tikki. I mean, she's a rock star, yeah.
Yes, Priyanka. काटनी मुश्किल हो रही है. काटो कैसे नहीं?